My stand about that controversy is that we should support the LGBT community because I believe that they too have their own uniqueness because their heart beats the other way around. And I am pretty sure that God was never wrong in creating them because they contain the heart, the beauty, and the confidence it takes to win the crown. Thank you.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You, I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.
Hey guys, today's video we're gonna be the judge of Miss Intrams for my high school, Zamboanga del Norte National High School. I'm excited. My friend asked me to be the judge, one of the judges, so let's go. By the way, introducing my cousin Wheeler. He's gonna be my vlogger for today and he's gonna be my PA. Look at me. He's shading me. He's giving me umbrella.
Hey, what's up?
So first up, we're gonna go grab coffee, grab lunch. Miss Intrams doesn't happen until 1 p.m. and it's only 10 a.m. right now, so we have time. Sa kuan mi nung atbang sisiping. Let me have your name. Yani, Y-A-N.
I think it's originated in the Philippines, and there's a lot of branch throughout the Philippines.
Hi guys, just chilling at the coffee shop right now. Editing, uploading, and everything in between.
Vlogger life. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't sleep. We go around the world.
Lunchtime! Uy, gafog!
Sea breeze, large and the bay.
Cute ka siyang a restaurant, guys. Melting pot sa Dipolo. Guys, very cute restaurant here in Dipolo. Hi guys, nag-lunch pa mi karon diri sa restaurant called Melting Pot. Cute ka siya nga restaurant. Concept niya mura siya Instagrammable, vintage. Great ako si Bibi.
Hi.
Akong classmate si Teresa Galiemet sa una mukuyog pod kay siya may co-judge na ako. Kamiran duha. Samo. Oh. Kamiran duha. Pila ka ba contestant? 10? Amot kasi nagadagway lain pero kamiran duha kailan kabalo ko ka classmate o gainan mi kamiran duha. Alumni man mi sa Zamboanga del Norte National High School diri sa Dipolo. Shout out sa school, National High School. O, kung taga dito mo, viewer mo, picture mo ha. Appetizer. Hi guys, tan akong co-judge. Sa mga ngalan Day. Sa mga ngalan, ngalan regani pa yung tana. Si Doktora Teresa Galiemet, dentista siya. If you guys have molar issues, toothache, tooth decay, contact her. Leave information down below. Braces mo, dahang braces on. Kung braces mo, kani siya. I-link lang ako down below. Use promo code. So, promo code. Stay tuned sa iyang clinic. Magtao siya clean tao dyan. Magtukod o clinic sa Dapitan. Hi guys! So, when we lunch, padlong namin sa National High School para mag-judge sa Miss Intrams today. Naulaw ko mag-judge.
If apple.
Pero, oh. Ang for guwapo. Guys, mo mong high school sa una.
Kasi masistan ko eh. Wala. Uy, oh my gosh. Isunod niya po. Yes, mami. Vlogger ka siya. Go.
Vlogger and events coordinator of University of Toronto. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Mr. Yani Makute. The Miss Intramural year 2008. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to Dr. Teresa Giga Yemen. Hi, Doctora. She's one of our students.
She's into superstitions, black cats and voodoo dolls. My favorite.
I am born to fight and win every battle in life. My name is Reyame Abasolo 14, proud to represent the mighty, the fearless, and the strongest of them all, right now!
Be who you are, not the world wants you to be. The young and mighty, grade 7! This stage is the world, the crown is the glory, but confidence and knowledge is what makes us a queen in our magical thrones. Ladies and gentlemen and honorable judges, I am Nika Angela Ilumbari Nibit, 15 years of existence and proudly representing the pride of the Golden Rebels. Mabuhay ang grade 9!
If you fall 7 times, stand up 8. Mariel Razo Barbaso, 14, representing grade 8! Crystal Kate Balanzag Pasos, proudly uplifting the grade 10, the grade 10! Proudly representing the young, the mighty, grade 7! It's Maria Naomi Nerissa Bancura, 16! We soar, we dominate, we conquer! Mabugyaw kita, Senior High School Department!
Friends, Garnet D. Kalina, representing the loud, the proud, and the mighty grade 10! We soar, we dominate, we conquer! Maghugyaw kita, Senior High School Department!
Representing from the Battle of Grades 8!
Of 14 years old, and she's the daughter of Mr. Jimmy Abasolo and Judith Abasolo. 4 is Miss Mariel Azo Barbaso.
What is your stand about the Miss Universe organization that allows transgender women to join Miss Universe pageant?
Thank you for that wonderful question. My stand about that controversy is that we should support the LGBT community because I believe that they too have their own uniqueness because their heart beats the other way around. And I am pretty sure that God was never wrong in creating them because they contain the heart, the beauty, and the confidence it takes to win the crown. Thank you.
So my question for you is, what bothers you most about what is happening in your school today? Again, what bothers you most about what is happening in your school today?
Good afternoon, everyone. I think that one of the things that bothers me in our school today is the proper segregation of trashes. This implementation is very easy to do, but what lacks is the ability to do so and the teamwork to do so. So I believe that we should all work as a team to do this action and to make our school a better place. Thank you.
Your question is, what are the best qualities a parent could share with their children? Why?
That question, sir. I think the best quality of a parent to give to his or her children is the quality of being understanding. Because most parents, I'm not generalizing, but most parents, the problem of the children are that their parents are not understanding. Their parents are the ones who judges them first, especially when they go home late. They're asked where they've been, what they had, what they did. So I guess if I were to become a parent someday, I would really try my best to understand my children, to be in her shoes, and in order to show my love and support for her or him. Thank you.
Okay, my question is very common to all beauty pageant, but I want a very authentic answer. My question is very simple. If love is the answer, what is the question? Again, if love is the answer, what is the question? Thank you.
Loving someone is like moving mountains. We would do everything just to make the impossible possible. It is like the differences of a bird and a fish. It is like the differences of a bird and a fish. But there will be always an instance wherein they can meet. As the fish lifts a little higher and the bird flies a little lower of the surface of the ocean. But settling together.
Forward, candidate number 4, forward. Who will be our Mrs. Shanti? Is it candidate number 9? Number 5? Or candidate number 1?
You got to let it go.